Now here's some thought. This construction site behind me does not look safe. I mean, wires dangling to the ground. People can get electrocuted that way, okay? I mean, look at the shape and stability of the building. I mean, someone is bound to get injured on the job that way, okay? Not good, okay? You gotta think. Think. What's a safe way to do construction? Well, parts dangling out the window when they can fall to the ground on someone would not be a good sign. Trust me. It wouldn't. Okay? So, think about this one. Would you please? Think about how stability of construction sites can be safe. And your thoughts on the construction site I walked past. Okay?